Hey y'all, this is the We Are Memories old school typewriter here. So you might be too young to remember these. I barely remember them. But basically you put your paper in here, and as you type, you're gonna see how it scrolls to the left, or like if I tab, you'll see it even more. So it's gonna keep going, and then you just move it to the side like that. You keep typing, keep going, making it go. And then that's how you type with these things if you're not familiar. But I'm sure if you're looking for one of these, you are familiar with it. But this is a pretty cool old school typewriter here. I feel like it just really brings you back, okay? So it's really cool just playing with this thing, even if you're just using it for fun, if you're not using it seriously, it's still pretty cool to use. So if you're looking for a cool, easy to use, old school typewriter, I'd recommend this one right here.